So I'm just driving back home after dropping off my last soul sisters who helped me put on the Sedona Goddess Retreat. And I actually loved it. It was amazing. Afterward, I dropped the girls off at the airport. Of course, they both synchronistically had flights at the same moment. Within an hour. And so then I went and soaked in the hot springs for a little while. El Dorado, amazing. Got some cool epiphanies there. And I just had an idea on the drive home, and my idea was that the goddess tours are going great. We're making flower crowns and raw chocolate, and it's really fantastic. And I want to keep doing this stuff. And I also just did a retreat in Sedona that was really amazing. And I just kind of want to keep growing them and changing them and perfecting them. And so I want to eventually have different kinds that I do. Like I want to have like a home spa retreat where we all just do the stuff ourselves, like do masks and mani-pedis and stuff ourselves. And I also want to have, and this is the thing I would like to ask you guys about, I would like to have a spa goddess tour. And so what I need to know are what are the eco-friendly spas in the US that you guys like, because I'm thinking this winter I would love to schedule a spa tour where we have a spa weekend and we like get treatments throughout the day, stay at the spa, and then meet up for various meetings and classes and meditations and intention setting, little spell time, magic time, because it works and it's fun. And so where do you guys know of where we can bring a group anywhere from, I don't know, maybe like 4 to 10 women, and all hang out at the spa and, you know, get treatments, and that it be eco-friendly. That's really important to me. I'm finding out that really makes a huge difference to me. You know, I feel like real luxury is putting stuff on my skin that I know is going to make me healthier, not that I'm going to have to detox out later. Whoops, a little bit, you know. So anyway, let me know. I would love to know because, I know you guys are the ones to ask. So help me plan the Spa Goddess retreat tour, okay? Thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm going to get back to driving, getting some gas here. And I will hopefully see y'all again very soon.